cleaning fish that we got from a local fisherman, and she can't even look while she's doing it.
I love what I'm doing. It's so much fun.
Is this your first fish you've cleaned?
No, it's the second one. Damn.
Good job. Covered in fish blood.
You like that?
It does have a certain air of jungle woman to it.
Good. That's why I'm doing it. Yeah.
Do you need a knife that big?
I think so.
Remember when we ate that part?
Yeah, that was tasty detonated.
Yeah, that's the liver.
That was the liver. This one is the liver?
Can't tell, you smashed it on. That fish doesn't look happy though.
More.
Are you okay?
He's like, really? You done this for the first time and it's me? It's me you're testing your skills on.
So look, next time do it like this. Take your knife out. All fish have an anus. There's a hole in here already. See that hole? See that hole?
Yeah.
Put your knife into that hole. And other way. And then, that's the anus. And then you just if you hold the knife down this way, you can just kind of slice right up him.
I think I just do it the way I did it before.
So we were enjoying a nice day at the beach, and this crazy wicked storm just came through. Check this out. Look at those clouds, they look so cool.
The locusts are getting busy.
Look at that rain. Yeah, it's about to pour. All the locals brought their boats up on the beach. And they're like, let's go! I want to get out of here! People running. Colombians never run. If they're running, it's bad.
Yeah.
Look at that cloud, man. That is so cool. Okay, I'm putting the camera away. It's about to start raining bad. It would be nice to fill the water tanks up. So after like 10 minutes, we'll uncork it and maybe I'll watch the boat too. Oh, I'm tired. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. We just drug anchor. Both fucking anchors. And
Even the Stanford.
Danforth.
Whatever.
I'm sick, man. This sucks. We were way too close to the beach. The one night we anchored way too close. We were way out before. So we threw the Danforth out, the secondary anchor, which thank God I have rigged up. I can just toss it in. It's pouring down rain. I mean, like, everybody had gotten their boats on the shore. We were the only boat out, and that was the one day that we anchored.
Known.
We anchored like in 15 feet of water. We were about 100 meters from the beach. All the people on the shore got their boats in. That was scary, baby. Well, we survived again. That's good. So there's that.
Survived.
I'm going to bed. Where are we and what are we doing?
We are still in Colombia, Playa Blanca, but in a lagoon. Over there is the beach where we've been before. Over there. Now we're in the lagoon. And yeah, there's nothing to do here.
But I need the internet. And do some work. So we're gonna go to this hotel and see if they'll let me use their internet.
And if they get a pool.
And if they have a pool for Miss Goldie over here.
There was no pool. And the hotel didn't want to have to do anything with dirty cruises at all. We decided that it's nonsense to sail up to Cartagena just for an internet connection. That's why we decided to sail further south along the coast of Colombia and explore some new places.
This is the entrance to Cholon. It's a pretty narrow pass and it's like 10 feet deep right here. It makes me nervous. Dinner at Playa Blanca. We have conch, little conch, fish, whatever that is, rice, the chef, Mr. Raff, and Kim's mad right now.
No,
She's in a bad mood. Why are you in a bad mood?
I know it's the book.
I don't know.
It was the book.
No.
It's the book.
Disappointed you in some way.
She just finished 1984. She's all like, oh god. The human race is doomed.
I hope you enjoyed the video. It is the last week of our campaign with the original design of our crew shirts. So log into bonfire.com and get your own one. They come in all kinds of different colors and designs, and yeah.
So this is the last week you can get this one.
Alrighty.
Also, one of our biggest fans, if you watch our live streams or our videos, then you'll see him, has a boat in the Sea of Cortez. You should contact him. His name is Sailing Carina Club. You can go to his website here, and the link will be in the description as well. If you're interested in this kind of life, rent his boat for a week. Go to the Sea of Cortez. It's great cruising grounds, great kiteboarding.
We're probably going up there.
Beautiful there.
Voila.
Voila, here it is.